Hello everybody, this is Brandon Reacts TV, and today I have another Donald Duck reaction. This one is going to be Old MacDonald Duck from 1941. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, the music sounds good. E-I-E-I-O. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Donald. Okay. Old MacDonald. Yeah, Donald has a farm. Oh, that was Donald. I thought that was a chicken or something. Okay. Yeah, man. Donald's putting in the work in his farm. And his singing is great, man. I love his version of Old MacDonald. I love the way he's singing it. Man. The pig. Okay, yeah, that was great, Donald. That was great. Great singing, Donald. No, no one's in there. It's empty. What happened to all his animals? Oh, wow. Oh, there's a cow. Where is it? Oh, wow. How did it get up there? Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, that's a way to get down. Man, for a cow, man, she's light, man, for a cow. She was floating like a feather. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Okay. Okay, Donald. Oh, what? Okay. But did he have to pull her tail first? Okay. Okay, Donald. Oh, what is that? A fly? Man, flies are annoying, man. Yeah, there you go. Wait, she didn't kill it though. Donald, man, he's so into it, man. He loves the farm life. Ooh. That looks like his hair. Man, it looks so funny with like it looks like he has hair, man. Looks like a wig. Oh man. Donald. Oh, this fly, man. This fly's gonna be a problem. Get it. Oh. Here, get it. There you go. Oh, wow. Man, Donald, how hard did he hit himself? He left a mark. Oh, man. Okay, it faded. Okay. Oh, this fly, man. Man, that's how flies do, man. They just annoy you. Ah, this fly, man. Man. Yeah, man, it's crazy because that's how actual flies are, man. Like, they won't leave you alone until you kill them, man. It's like... Oh, man, this fly is a problem, man. Donald, man. Ah, man. Yeah, this fly is gonna test his patience. We know he has a very short temper, so. Oh no, not in the hat. Yeah, everything's reversed. Yeah, now you notice. Donald. Oh no, it's still wrong. There you go. You put that under there. There you go. There you go. And hat. But it has milk. Yeah. It's fly. Ah, it's fly. He loved that. Yeah, I was just about to say, but it has milk, and yeah. And then that's when you put it on. There you go. Oh. I laugh at this, fly. Oh, so close to getting him, man. Oh. Just go away.
You asked for it, sweetheart.
I mean, yeah, he's asking for it, man. There you go, hit him. I mean, why are you shaking? It's your fault. You didn't have to. You could have just left him alone. Oh, wow. That one was going directly at him, too. It's like, yeah, this fly, man, he's shaking, but he's the one that started it. It's like, none of that would have happened if he wouldn't have messed with Donald.
That's it now. X equals 15.
Okay. Okay, Donald. All right. Okay, yeah, Donald knows how to do math, man. He's doing it on the cow. That's funny. But man, I hate math, man. But yeah, in times like that, it could be helpful though. Oh, he got him. Yeah, it was with the calculation. He calculated right. That's right. Now leave. Donald. Donald gets the last laugh. That's what you get, fly. Oh no! Oh, poor Donald, man. Oh man, this fly, man. He's annoying, but he's funny. Like, he knew what he was doing. Like, he was getting her to move her tail so she could put it around Donald's neck, man. Now she's using Donald as a fly swatter. Oh man, poor Donald. Oh wow, yeah. This fly means business, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, poor Donald, man. Oh no, oh no. He's a mule now. Oh man, this fly. Now the fly's getting the last laugh. Oh, the fly got the last laugh. Ooh, man. Oh man. Oh man, that fly, man. Poor Donald, man. Oh man, that fly was annoying though, man. Cause like Donald, he just wanted to do it. He was just doing his work, man. He was doing his work on the farm, and then that fly comes in and he messes everything up. But no, it was funny though. Like, it was annoying, but it was funny at the same time. Um, but yeah, yeah, no, this was a great one though. Very, very funny. And I love that. I love seeing Donald, working on a farm setting, and the way he was singing "Old MacDonald," that was great too. Yeah, so good. So please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.